Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this lovely Kia Ceed 1.6 CRDi 2 Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 67,945 miles and it's finished in the colour Silver Storm. It does come with 7 previous services. It does sit nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have your LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. At the rear you will find rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier to do. You do have power folding door mirrors which automatically fold in and out when you lock and unlock the vehicle. Here in the boot you'll find 362 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,318 with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your lovely two-tone cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. You also have a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with 2 cup holders. Take a look inside here. Up front you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you'll find controls for adjusting the radio in the centre of the dashboard, buttons for answering and ending phone calls. You also have your trip display as well as your cruise control. Here you can see your trip display where you can see different information such as your average miles to the gallon, some user settings as well. In the centre of the dashboard here you do have your radio which has access to FM and AM radio. Alternatively you can connect your own source of audio with USB, auxiliary input and Bluetooth. With Bluetooth you also have your telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. Underneath your radio you'll find your air conditioning, which is very easy to use. Underneath this you'll also find your USB and auxiliary input as well as 2 12-volt sockets and some storage, your button for the rear parking sensors and your automatic gear selector there.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.